Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are diving into something every data engineer, analyst and cloud practitioner deals with every day. So how do we actually serve data for analytics? There are 8 major ways to do this, ranging from basic file sharing to advanced real-time streaming and reverse ETL. So let's break each one down with simple example. Let's get started. First, we have file exchange. The first and simplest method this is. So this is probably the oldest and most familiar way of sharing data. Sending CSVs, Excel files, JSON, images, whatever, through email, shared drives, or cloud folders. For example, a partner company sends notice or invoice as CSV files, and an analyst loads them into their tool for analysis. So it's not fancy, but it works, just not great at scale. You understand? Let's move on. Next, we have databases. So specifically, OLAP databases like data warehouses and data lakes. This is where curated, cleaned, and structured data lives. Analysts and BI tools run SQL queries, build dashboard, and generate insights. A simple example, okay. So querying returns data in a data warehouse to identify that one supplier's products are causing most of the failures. This is the backbone of modern analysis. Third, streaming systems. So this is where data flows continuously as live events. Think of it like a real-time heartbeat of your business. For example, a factory streams sensor and camera data, so analytics systems can immediately detect fabric snags and flag detective items before they continue on the line. And if you need fast decisions, you need streaming. On number 4, we have query federation. So the why move data when you can query it remotely approach. Instead of copying data into one place, a federated query engine allows you to write one SQL query across systems. For example, an analyst running a combined query that pulls and manufacturing data from one system and returns data from a warehouse to study quality issues. You get the insights without the messy data movement. This is what it says. Moving on, at number 5, we have data sharing. So instead of emailing files or exporting tables, platforms now allow direct data sharing. This means teams or partners can securely access the same dataset right from the platform. For example, a retailer, he shares aggregated defect statistics with a fabric supplier. So the supplier can analyze it in their own environment. No duplication, no outdated files, no chaos. Okay. At number 6, we have semantic and matrix layers. So this is where definitions and metrics are standardized, so every team uses the same logic. Instead of everyone writing slightly different SQL versions of return rate, the semantic layer defines it once. So all dashboards use the same definition: fewer arguments, fewer inconsistencies, and fewer headaches. At number 7, we have serving data in notebooks. So data scientists and ML engineers, they love notebooks. Let it be Jupyter notebooks, Databricks, Colab, you just name it. So this method gives programmatic access to data exploration, modeling, feature engineering, and experimentation. For example, loading historical defect data into a notebook to train a model that predicts fabric quality. Now, notebooks is equal to creativity plus power. Remember that, notebooks is equal to creativity plus power. At number 8, we have reverse ETL. So this is where processed analytics data is pushed back to operational systems. Think of it as taking insights from the warehouse and putting them right where people work. Okay, for example, fabric batch quality scores computed in the warehouse are pushed into the factory's operational UI, so the line operators know which batches are high risk. Okay, so this closes the loop. Analytics equal to action, etc., and it moves on. Okay, so yeah, this is it for this video. So those were the 8 major ways to serve data for analytics, from simple file sharing and all the way to reverse ETL. Okay, so each method it fits a different need. So real-time insights and curated data, exploration, cross-term collaboration, or automated action. And if you want a deeper video in any of these, please let me know in the comments. And so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you found this video helpful, please do share this. And also, if you want the notes for this particular video, you can find it in the description of the video. And please do come back for more amazing content.